Good morning, Dad. Look at the breakfast time.
Okay, you ready to go grab some breakfast, Eden? Gahapon kita ganito.
Mommy.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. She wants pancakes and okay, go. This is Eden's favorite. Oh no, they don't have pancakes. Oh, okay. Just too small, Tita, please. You want some butter? They have a syrup.
You want me to put, just put your butter. One syrup? No? Eggs.
Eggs over there, Tita. It's just a scrambled egg. Eden, you want these eggs, right? Maybe not. Enough?
Ano naman kaya ako na lang mukha ko dito. Balik ko makuha na nyo. Sinaba. Hindi ka gonna eat in the light, okay? You want rice?
No.
You don't want syrup on it? You're gonna look for a different one.
There's some bread here, Eden. Huh? Pandesal. Nahinom doon yung kasi pangalan ka? Sa card nga inyong ikuan. Wala.
Look at that. Look at here. You're gonna send this one to Daddy. Look, Daddy. He didn't catch a tricycle, but she said it's sticky. And she tried to cover her nose, bro. She said it's sticky. Well, experience ko po ha. Look. There's a lot more. Wala na ko ni siyang motor. Sakit ako ng motor. Motor tricycle. And how about you, Tito?
Hi, Eden. Hi. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
We're catching a butterfly, Daddy. We're catching a butterfly.
Eden here, SM.
Hi. Say hi.
Happy. Hi, Eden. What you wanna eat? You wanna eat lechon? Huh? Look. Huh?
Uy, papaitang sa'yo.
Wow. Wow, that looks yummy. Look, babe, it's a lechon.
No, 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 no.
Yan ako tayo. 3 days lang, 3 days Amerika. Ay, 3 days Amerika, 3 days sa Pinas. Na, mukha mo sinira ng pagpalo.
Asan pa paano, babe? Ay, dili ba ni? Ay, oh, this one, eh. Ay, ito na lang pa paano, babe. Sa bawon?
Samad ka mong gay Baligya?
Asan ka mong ganyo, sir? Hello, kita. Wala ko pakita. Sige naman takang paano ko dito, boss, eh.
Pwede na siya sa bawang?
Wala ka kita, di mo? Problema, kung anak, yung tao mo, namin yung isa. Bango to. It's a milkfish. Milkfish.
Ay, sa ito, ito.
Mommy, Daddy, going on a morning walk near the pool.
Yeah, here's the pool, babe.
Yeah, and also, here's the kids' pool.
It's cool.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Morning walk.
This is the clubhouse over here. Yeah, that's the clubhouse. It's beautiful clubhouse. Eden, let's go this way. Are you okay to walk? Are you sure? Yeah. Are you sure you're not hurting? Yeah, it's a beautiful clubhouse. Just checking around. I can't go back to sleep, so that's why. Yeah. It's beautiful. Let's go this way. This way. Are you okay to walk? Huh? Are you pushing your own? Yeah. Careful.
Let's go this way. Let's go use the basketball court and
Basketball court and playground. It's beautiful. Alright, Eden, let's go back. We're gonna go this way. We're just gonna go walk around, okay?
we're going to cover our back.
Yeah. So you're going to walk now? You are? Getting hungry. We're gonna go find Mandisal. Oh, be careful. Yeah, that's the clubhouse. It's nice. Look like China. pushing her own wheelchair. Now we're gonna go walk more. Mommy need to exercise more. No, it's okay. Let's go this way. Okay. Now you say bye, Daddy. See you
Bye,
soon.
Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Dili na. Una na. Yan, tara dyan.
Wala lagi nilos.
Asa na inyong car?
Dito ta.
Dear, kailangan niya tama ato dito. Kailangan, hindi na.
Ako puno ko.
Ayun ako.
Hi, Eden. Wanna say hi? Eden, come on, look up here. Wanna say hi to Dad? Look up here. Hi, Deborah.
Hi.
Where is Oppa? Where is Assassinat?
I'm going there.
Eden, come here. We're going to the beach. We're gonna ride a boat later, Eden.
No, not yet.
Yeah, you can touch the water if you want. Iloy, magunit lang siya sa tubig. The water is what? Cold? fish, Eden? Bantay, be. Good morning. Where is Eden?
I'm right here. Mommy, sit with me.
Okay.
No, I want her to sit.
Pila na ka?
Mommy, sit.
Ato ha?
Sit with me.
Sipog-sipog kitang lima na.
Oh, did you want
Eh, ingat kayo.
I know, baby. I know.
Thank you, ma.
Goodbye, Sandy.
Okay, put your seatbelt na.
Seatbelt. There's no seatbelt.
Life vest.
Like that.
Oh, sige na tabang tita. Tita will help you.
No, we don't need it.
Okay.
Ano ko na ka? Na bitaw 6 a.m. Ma. May po kay 6 a.m. kay di lang traffic. Nga alas 7 ito na eh.
Asa na pa ito ng gada ko nga barko?
Charging?
Eden! Eden!
Much better.
Yeah, here we go! Ilang ka minutes pa lang dito? Ikaw, Eden, first time on the boat.
Memories na mo ikaw.
Auto na brother. Auto na te. Ah, kanto. Kanto na te te nga. Nanti ako pala niya.
Up here, Eden!
No, put it guys.
Playing with Oma and Opa. Eden. Are you having a good time? Yeah? Again, again. Yeah. Nag-experience siya swimming. Go get Opa. Go get your Opa.
Ambot, ako sila kambing eh.
What happened? Nay butong dito ma. Nag-order ko butong. Singkat lagi siya kumalang. Kap, ligo na Kap. What is it? Halika bugo. Oh, boy, tuan ang kambing, oh. Over there. Ha? Mama? Dapat malisyo, dapat kanunan, no? Mau ba? Ay, malisyo na dahil ko.
Guys, you want to go kayaking? Yeah, we can go kayaking. Hey, Ori, I thought you would buy the billiard.
Are you doing, Eden? Are you serving Opa?
Yeah.
You want more?
Oh,
Okay, it's enough.
Yes.
Okay.
good job.
And I teach Opa how to wash his hands.
Ah, you did? Okay.
Good job, Opa.
Good job. Good,
Yeah.
good. Good job.
You need to cut the fish.
Yeah.
Okay, Oma's turn. Okay, tang guys, si Mama tang.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, si Mama is that.
Wait. Baby.
You want me to
Do
feed
you want head or tail? Head?
She's like my mommy.
Oh, yeah.
Opa, good job. She's eating. Drink your apple.
Okra.
How is it, baby girl?
Good.
Good, you like it?
And fish is filled with protein.
Thanks.
Good job, Opa.
Okay.
No, you don't eat sauce by yourself.
I like it so much, you know? This vegetables.
Good
Wow.
job, Opa.
Yeah.
Good job. You need to cut the okra.
Cut the okra? Okay.
Good job, Opa.
Maayo pa sa narisalon dito sa dito sa tuwa.
Wala okra sa Indo, ma?
Gigan man sa to direct again.
Now, sometimes when mommy doesn't finish her food, I feed her like a baby.
Yeah, really?
Good job, Opa.
Tinon na is.
So you don't just drink the soy sauce. You need rice too.
Oh, yeah.
Manantira. Saan pangita ni mo ta? Ha?
To you?
Alright.
Video.
Look,
Eat your pampan, okay?
I'm eating it.
Oh.
Dad ko ginalayan mo dyan.
Look, Uncle Jonathan, I'm doing that. See?
Again. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Look, Uncle Jonathan.
Wow. I'm proud of you, you know?
The fish is filled.
Yeah. Quickly, because after lunch, you're going to swimming, you know? Told to Opa.
Makiro ko
Opa, you're gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna do like the beach, and you're gonna throw me into the pool. You're gonna throw me into the pool.
Yeah.
Don't hang your head down and cry. Butterfly, much too young, too young. Die.
Then make a word, please. Make a word for me. I said make a word for me, please. Make a word for me, please. Make a word for me. You have to make a word for me.
Pula lang kay, kapura kay, pula lang ko, pulo sini kay kirini, pulo, ano?
No.
Opa don't know how to play.
Alright, he then gonna get her haircut today. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Sunod naman kay napoy buhaton ko. Bye. Yeah. Ay, sorry. How you feel? Good? Okay, salamat. Okay. How you feel? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah? And there's Tita Kambing. Ano ito? Gisyampuhan yung buhok. Yeah.
Masayahan katani.
Ha?
Masayahan kay katani.
Kuan lang, i-trim lang niya iyang bangs.
Hindi pa ni masuklay mo.
Ha?
Nangalambod mo.
Kahapon na naligog dagat ba? Ayaw, ha? Ako sa mga ba?
Japanese.
What are you doing?
I'm doing massage.
Okay, are you massaging Oma?
Yes, in a Japanese style.
Japanese style.
And Uncle Jonathan is doing an American finger massage.
Oh, yeah?
I'm doing a Japanese massage.
Kapag sayaw na kani susukan sa patio.
Do not
Huh?
talk.
Kapag sayaw ni.
Do not talk.
This is a massage Japanese and
Yes.
American style.
Oh no.
Well, I mean a massage look American style.
Oh yeah.
So
That's
I
right.
am Japanese style since I'm
You-
doing
you-
and playing a piano.
You are Japanese.
Well, my
Massage.
my massage is Japanese. Massage
Like kung fu.
yeah, like this. And you're just kind of like an American massage thingy. So yeah. And I think she's Indonesian style.
Indonesian style? Okay.
I like it.
So are you Indonesian? You're half Indonesian, half
No,
American?
My massage thingies are Japanese style. See? But when I do the back thingy, then it's American. Yeah. Let me try that.
Oh, use this.
No, it's ayaw kay halang.
Oh, yeah. Like Japanese.
Now, time to do some Chinese. Kung Fu! Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Kung Fu!
Kung fu.
Cool.
Oh.
Wait, what does Kung Fu mean? What does Kung Fu mean?
Huh? Kung fu?
Yeah.
You like kung fu?
No, what is Kung Fu?
Kung fu?
Mhm.
Like Bruce Lee. For example.
Yeah!
Like this. Oh,
You mean like this? Well, on the floor, I'm doing my martial arts.
oh yeah. Do you see it? Oh, my goodness.
I'll show you some real martial arts.
Yeah. Don't do that. Because I'm a friend.
Don't worry, I won't kill you, my
Oh,
master.
no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Don't kill me.
Oh, yeah.
Ay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Slow down, Kakal.
Split. Chicken. Kung Fu! Oh, wait. Let me try it on. Kung Fu! Let me redo that.
Go
Kung
ahead.
Fu! No. Kung Fu!
Hey, Omar, do you sleep?
I'll wake her up with a little chicken. Now she's awake. Now, time to practice my kung fu. Yeah.
Who teach you Kung Fu?
I will involve and do my draws.
Oh, no.
Water up here. Chicken, chicken. Yeah. Fire of air.
Go
Air and wind.
to practice like Kung Fu. Huh? Yes. Yeah.
Dito lang, Bingo. Dito. Yeah. Dito lang, dito. Dito lang, Bingo. Mas nindot. Okay, what you gonna eat, Eden? Huh?
I want you to sit with me.
Yeah, okay.
Go mo na.
Oh, sige na, Oma. Dito ka, Oma. Si Eden tapat mo. Oh, sige na, okay. Mama, hibitaw.
Eh, kenapa timang? Kedua.
Oh, sige na, grab your food na. Okay, what do you want, Eden? Do you have pancakes and eggs? Okay. Did you wash your hands? Good, that looks good. Okay. Let mommy grab it for you, baby. Let mommy grab it. Go. That's enough? Or you want more? Here. Okay, how about you, Oma? What do you want?
Hello?
They don't have pancakes here.
Pancake, maybe right there.
Tang, what do you want? Are you eating?
Eh, coba Pilipin.
Let us check it. Okay, come here, Nak.
No, I want pancakes.
I know. Let's go. I think it's not here, Nak. It's not here. Over here. Come here. Oh, here. I found it. Here. You want two? Yeah. You want syrup? What kind of syrup? Do you want butter too?
Well, maybe I'll have some of that.
That's enough butter. Let me see. What is this?
I think it's chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, hold your plate. Okay. How about syrup? You want syrup?
No, thank you.
Okay, that's enough. Nak. That's enough. Go. Alright.
But we need a spoon and fork.
Okay, it's on the table.
Ah.
Mommy got your milk from the room, okay? So you have to drink those. Yeah, you can sit over here.
But I want to sit with you.
Yeah, Mommy's sitting here. Alright. Wash your hands. Yes.
You don't even use this.
Yes, baby, of course. Yeah, gusto niya na ng milk yung galing sa, It's okay, Mommy can have those. Shake it first.
Asa may ilang kalit eh?
Oh, wait. I can't open it.
Miss, saan yung rice?
Did you wash your hands?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, ako po.
Ah, ikaw na
Did
ba?
you have po?
Okay. Ma, paliw ko be. Kay magpa-video po ni isa. Hello, ate.
Oh, sige na tanggit ko sa... Kuha ka tanon rin.
Eden, look at here. Wow, Oma. Oma.
Hi.
Hello, Kep. Tibing. Morning. Tibing, i-opsan ni kayo. Magkuha ng buka ko. Lunggi ko ba?
Eden, you wanna say hi? What?
I'm getting my good massage.
You're getting what?
A good massage.
Good
Good
massage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Don't park. Oh, no.
Don't fart. I'm good. Jonathan said don't fart. How is feel? How do you feel?
Good.
Good? Do you like it?
So much, eh?
Huh? Is it relaxing? Yeah?
And how about Lolo?
But Opa.
Very
No,
hard?
it's annoying.
Opa is annoying? Why?
His massage is not good. It's too strong.
Too strong? Opa massage too strong? Oh. There's Oma. Hi, Oma.
Hi.
You wanna say something? What you gonna say?
I'm okay.
You wanna say something, Oma?
Pwede din.
You gonna say something?
Huh? Wanna say something? Huh?
What's wrong with you, Oma? Oma.
Oma wanna say something?
Pare pa something eh.
No, do not take a video of me.
It's okay.
Kabas ni Jen. Coba.
Ha?
Dili sini.
Mo tawag ka ni Normie?
Dili. Kani ba sa taas?
Oh, Wi-Fi.
Dili kang kapuran kay Batri.
Rovena. Okay pa. Tawag ka ni Joy? It's Messy Kitchen. Ang tawag ka ni Ara? Ang tawag na. Nagtawag na si Joy sa imo? Ano sa?
Karon lang na.
Miss call? We're here at Dusit Thani Residence. You like it here, Eden?
So,
Yes. So this is a room. It's a mess. Oh boy. This all our mess here. This is the bathroom. Tawagan na si Joy, ma.
Wala na makasama.
Nga naman.
out of coverage.
Dili man online good.
Dili na.
Online.
O sa signal mo naman.
Dili lagi katawa.
Do you like it, Eden?
Ring man.
Yes.
I-video.
Gulo mo video dyan.
Oh, kasi ang
Okay.
Since I did my back 2 times, I want you to do my feet 5 times.
Diyan ka lang i-video sudo.
Wait.
Hello.
And left?
Yeah, that one and that one. 5 times.
Yeah.
And remember to wait. What about the lotion?
Oh yeah.
Oof.
May I open this?
No, you can't open it.
No, kuha na, limpyo na yan.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Eden.
Sorry. Sometimes when he wants to open it, then it's a no-no.
Iyo. Wala lagi ka.
Okay, yun na say bye, Eden.
Bye-bye.
Swice real no.
Nakabusog na.
Ay, siya.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Kiss daddy.
Daddy.
What a big deal, huh?
Big deal, big.
Look, got your balloon.
Thank you.
So sweet.